Namaste all, welcome back to my channel. I am here to guide you through the art of cooking pure, nourishing and indulgent recipes that bring balance to both body and mind. Lemon pickle is a classic condiment that adds a burst of tangy and spicy flavors to any meal. This version is a Sattvic friendly variation that replaces red chili powder with fresh green chilies, making it milder yet equally flavorful. The natural tartness of lemons combines beautifully with the heat of green chilies, aromatic spices, and a hint of salt, resulting in a deliciously zesty pickle. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients. Lemon, half kg. Ginger, finely chopped 2 tablespoons. Mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons. Curry leaves, as required. Salt, 3 tablespoons. Oil, 3 tablespoons. Green chilies, 8 to 10 numbers, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Always wash lemons with room temperature water instead of cold water. It helps loosen any dirt or residues without affecting the fruit skin. Select firm ripe lemons with thick skins. They should feel heavy for their size and have smooth, unblemished skin. The thicker skin helps the lemons hold up during the pickling process, ensuring it doesn't turn mushy. The riper the lemons, the tangier flavor it will impart, but avoid overripe or overly soft lemons. After rinsing, pat the lemons dry with a clean towel. Make sure they are completely dry before cutting them into pieces for pickling. Moisture on the lemons will also dilute the spices and oil, affecting the pickle's texture and shelf life. Cutting into quarters or eighths allow the pickle mix to penetrate the lemon flesh more effectively. The wedges are large enough to hold their shape during the pickling process while still being small enough for the spices to infuse. Removing seeds to avoid any bitterness. In a kadai or a pan, add oil. I have used here coconut oil as the natural coconut flavor pairs wonderfully with the tanginess of the lemons. You may also go for mustard oil as per your likings. Keep the flame on low. Add in the mustard seeds and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. It provides a good flavor profile for this tangy pickle. Now it's time to add the ginger and cut green chilies. Usually we use Kandari Mulaga variety. Since I was unable to catch hold of some, I used the regular chilies here. Roast nicely till we get rid of the raw smell of both ginger and green chilies. Salt is to be added at this point in time and mix well till everything is combined well. I like to add curry leaves to enhance the flavor. If you prefer, you can add in less or skip it altogether. I am adding a teaspoon of oil here simply because I love coconut oil. It is totally optional. Finally, add in the cut lemons and roast on a low flame for around 5 minutes. Mix all the ingredients well so that it is combined properly. Cover and cook till done. Use only airtight glass jars to store your pickle and completely avoid plastic or steel containers. You can start using this pickle after 2 to 3 days and refrigerate the same, and you can use as you like. This homemade pickle is free from artificial preservatives and enhances digestion while adding a refreshing kick to your meals. Enjoy this tangy ginger lemon pickle with rice or dosha. Tell me how this recipe turned out for you in the comment box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our awesome content and be part of the journey. Meet you with an exciting recipe next time. Bye bye.